This is a day in my life as a trader, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I spot high probability setups, and also we are going to be trading live today. And let's see how much we can make today. We are going to be trading EURUSD today. Good morning, how are you guys doing, and how is your trading week going, guys? So I'm just waking up, so just turn off the light and say a little prayer, committing my day into the hands of the Lord. I want to have a productive day and I have a lot to do today, guys. Setting up my system to prepare for the day, guys. And the next thing I do is to check the news and see what's going on. Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. And if you are just seeing my face for the first time, this is Precious here and you are welcome to this channel. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm just going to be showing you guys everything I do on a daily basis, right? So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I trade daily and also my daily activities as a trader. And I want to take you guys along. So you guys are going to be learning a lot from this video because I'm going to be analyzing the chart with you guys, and we're going to be analyzing some pairs, and I want you guys to stick to the end so you don't miss out. And also, if you're an absolute beginner or you just see my face for the first time, I have a playlist dedicated for you, Forex trading for beginners. Check through there. I have been receiving a lot of testimonies from that playlist, and I know it's going to be of great help to you as well. I made a comprehensive video on USD JPY and EURUSD. I sent it to my community group chat on Telegram, and if you are not on the community group chat on Telegram yet, I want you to check the description box and click on the link below to come trade with us. On Friday, I sent the signal there because I was waiting for a change of character on the lower time frame. And when I got that confirmation, I sent the signal to my community group chat on Telegram. You guys saw the dump on USD JPY on Friday. Yesterday was Monday. You guys spot the pullback on USD JPY, right? Because price was reacting from the internal demand level, and price went up to mitigate our order block, and I marked the order block out. So this morning I woke up and I saw that price has already mitigated the order block and is already reacting from that zone, which is amazing because I'm swinging this USD JPY trade with my funded account. My take profit is 10,000. I was up with 3,000 on Friday, and that is where I want to swing, because when price hits my take profit, I'll be done trading the account because I'll be able to meet my profit target for that phase. So, which is amazing. And I was also in a trade on EURUSD. I was in a long position, but I took my profit on Friday. And so let's go right into the chart and see what we're able to trade today. So some of you asking me about how I do my screen recording, what software I use. I don't use any software for my screen recording. I just use my system to just do the recording. All right, no softwares. And also, I'm just very excited today. I am expecting today to be productive, to be fruitful, and I'm just going to basically do a lot with you guys today. And today is going to be fun, so I want you to stick to the end. And also, if you are interested in learning how to trade, and if you are interested in having a supportive community that guides you through your trading journey, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also join the community group on Telegram, because that is where it's happening. All right, join the community group on Telegram. So let's go right into the chart and let's see what price action is doing. So let's see what the market have for us today. If today is the day we are going to buy our Rolls Royce. I just changed the color of this candle for the purpose of this video. When we have break of structure to the downside, market is trying to tell us that, okay, we have more sellers in the market now pushing price downward. Now we have an internal break of structure here. And please check through my channel because I've been all up on USD JPY, analyzing it and posting it here on YouTube. So I'm just going to focus on how to trade today. So I'm just very excited because market structure is just superb. This is our bearish break of structure. This is our bullish candle. So this candle here is our order block. So I'm going to pick that candle as our order block. So you can see price got into that level, into the candle, and started reacting from the candle, right? When I did this analysis, send it to the group chat, I was waiting for a confirmation on the lower time frame so I could trade. Price got into our level and gave us a beautiful break of structure here. So this is the first break construction we are having to the downside. We have been having break construction to the upside like forever, and then this is the first break construction we are having to the downside. So this first break construction now is our change of character. So now I'm just going to label it for you guys. This is our change of character here. And also, it's very important to still hold on for a break of structure. That means you have two break of structure to the downside now, which confirms that okay, you are not in a bearish market. From the analysis, we now understand that we are in a bearish market. So what do you do in a bearish market? You look for sell in a bearish market because you don't want to trade against the trend. You want to trade with the trend. Just did some little cleaning around the house and time to bed. So I'm just picking out what I'm going to be wearing after bed. Go to EURUSD and see if we can get an opportunity there. So let's go to the daily time frame and see. So EURUSD is still at a support level here. You could see price is reacting from this level. This is the daily time frame. So I was on this buy on Friday. So but now price has been giving us pullback. So price still came all the way to this support level. So I'm expecting price to buy from this support level again, but I want to get a confirmation. I want to see a break of structure to the upside on the lower time frame for 15 or 5 minutes. So let's see what is happening with GBP USD. So GBP USD just moved aggressively downwards today. I want to buy from this level on EURUSD. So I want to wait for confirmation on 5 minutes that I can buy from this. I want to trade carefully today. I get here to take profit here. Put a market order and just be trading for stop loss. The trade is already my position. I need to feed myself, and when I go back from the kitchen, I notice that my trade got a serious pullback. Trading is not for the faint-hearted, but this is how I manage my trade. I'm not going to exit. I'm going to let it run, either TP or stop loss. I want to make chicken suya for the first time in my life, and I'm sorting out the spices. So wish me luck. And the next thing to do is to blend. I know how to do that one, so I'm going to blend granules and the rest of the spices all together to form a mixture. And then after that, I will have to marinate the chicken for some time. And also I'll put my rice on fire to be boiling in my absence while I do other things. I've been avoiding this bank form for a while now, so I encourage myself today to get it done and over with. So guys, today is quite a busy day. I'm creating online course for us because only take 2 students per session, and it's not sustainable anymore because a lot of people want to learn trading, and I feel bad because I don't have the capacity to do that for you guys. And I've come up with a plan to create an online course, and I'll be working on it. I'm creating online courses in entry segments. We have Smart Money Foundation, Smart Money Playbook, and Smart Money Mastery. So I'm done with the two: Smart Money Foundation and Smart Money Mastery. Smart Money Playbook, and I'm working on the Smart Money Mastery. So I will be working on it today as well while I wait for my trade to hit my take profit. Today is quite busy for me, so but of course I'm going to take you guys along. And let me just give you guys like if you look into the Smart Money Mastery, that's what I'm working on right now. It's not well arranged yet. Like this is working on it, right? My rice is done, and this is how My grilled chicken, soya chicken is looking so nice. Update on the trade. So we are now in profit, and this is how the food is served. See, my soya chicken looking very nice. I love it. Today is going exactly the way I want, and after this food I'm going to be watching a movie, The Chosen. I'll probably watch 1 or 2 episodes.
I know it's near Samaria.
Pizza is just something else.
See,
Oh my god, I love this series.
everyone is reacting to the noise.
You guys need to watch The Chosen.
Traveling with
The traders hit our take profits, and we made a profit of over $1,000, which is good. Understanding market structure is extremely important, and if you have been following me on YouTube, I've been shouting market structure because of how important it is when you trading. So I'm just excited. Today is a very productive day. I made money, I made food, and I'm working on our online course. It's going to be available soon, and I was able to sort out my bank stuff, and also I did a lot of things as well. So I'm just excited I get to share this with you guys. And also, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to learn more on how to spot high probability setups, please subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to like this video and share. Leave a comment. If you have questions, leave all your questions in the comment section. I promise to respond to all your questions. I've been encouraging you guys to get your Profem accounts. Please get your Profem account and come trade with us in my community group chat on Telegram. So see you. God bless you. And also, Hallelujah challenge is on, and why not? I would love for you guys to attend Hallelujah challenge, so I'm inviting you guys. So see you guys in my next video, and stay profitable, stay fruitful, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.